Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to recover your TikTok account. So first open TikTok, then go to profile, then click use phone, email or username, then click this icon, click recover your account, and here guys, if you link your account with phone number, click phone number. If you link with email, click email. Well, I'm click phone number, and here select your country and write your phone number. Click next, and here choose a method to verify your identity. For example, I select phone number, and here select your country and write your phone number, then click send code. Well, TikTok will send you a code to your phone number. Click allow, and congratulations, you recover your account successful. Thank you so much for watching me, and see you to the next video.